Hey everyone, welcome to the codecamp.org. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Python program that will print a star pattern. So for this, we need to create a Python file, and I'm creating one on my desktop. I will name it as a man. Remember, your Python program, your Python file should end with .py extension. So I will be opening this with my editor. I'm using VS Code or Visual Studio Code. You can use whatever editor you want. So let's open this with Visual Studio Code, and for this I will be using for loop plus range function. So I need to create a variable. I will name it num, which means number, and I will give range. So the way the range function works, it will include the first range but exclude the last. So if I write it like this, it will include the number 1 and up to number 10 but exclude the number 11. So this will print a star pattern starting from 1 star till it will print 2 stars at the next line, and it will continue till 10. So I'm printing the static. You can print whatever symbol you want by including the special characters. I will be creating another programs by printing more complex patterns. So this is the simple one, and this is the most common one asked in college assignments. And here you need to times it with the variable we have created for holding the numbers increment from the range function. So this will print the star pattern. As you can see, we have successfully printed the star pattern, which have started from 1 star, then incremented by 1, and it continued till 10. So this is how you create a simple static pattern program in Python. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.